What does tree-free toilet paper mean? Well, in this case, it means exactly what it means. It is not made from trees, but it is made from 100% bamboo, which is sustainable, and no trees are harmed. It is soft and absorbent, BPA-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and compostable. Now this is the part I wondered. It is compostable, uh, so uh, I was thinking to myself, well, does that mean what I think it means? Because I've never really thought of it, never really thought too much about it. And when you think about it, it's like the whole thing, like everything you use, just throw it in the compost. Even if it's been used, just throw it in there. It'll be fine. It's recyclable. I think that's what it means. So, in case you're wondering, uh, if that's one of the things you want to do, you can do that. You can save it up and throw it in the compost. Or does it mean when you use it all up, the inside is compostable? So it was instructions that aren't really clear. I need to really look into that. See what that means. But yeah, it has the usual conventional holder here, so you can put it on the holder. You don't have to worry about that. There is 320 sheets per roll, and it is a 2-ply, so it is going to be kind of thin, but I think it's also a little bit lint free. I didn't have any issue with that, and even if you put a little water in it, it didn't like completely tear apart. But yeah, so far I've been enjoying this. Uh, it's not the super softest toilet paper, but considering you know it's ECOLipak, I think that's how it's pronounced. I guess in a way, it is it's meant to, I guess be used, but it's a little more friendly in a way when you use this toilet paper compared to the 1-ply. So that was good. It does have a little bit of texture. I guess it does feel kind of soft compared to 1-ply that you might see in a public restroom. So it is softer than that, in my opinion. So yeah, this is comes in this big old pack here, 24 pack. In this case, I enjoy it.